Welcome back, children. Last class we have learned about what is drug abuse, and what is opioids. With that, we have learned about first example morphine. Actually, you write it, children. Morphine means it is a natural opiates. That is, we are taking from the opium plant, that is papaver somniferum, of their natural derivatives. Is that clear? So, morphine. One more is there that we can call as codeine. Okay, CODEINE. So morphine and codeine, both we can call it as natural opiates. That is OPIATES. Natural opiates means we are getting from the naturally getting from the papaver somniferum plant. And it is not in the case of heroin. Okay, heroin we are taking from the same papaver plant only, or we are extracting from morphine. With that, we'll add some additional chemicals and we'll make it as a semi-synthetic. It is all what heroin is not a fully natural one. They will add some chemicals like 2-acetyl group they'll add. Okay, they will add 2-acetyl group, that is only we are called as diacetyl morphine. They will add 2-acetyl group, that's the thing we are called as diacetyl morphine. So after adding, we'll get a semi-synthetic opiates, that is only we'll call it as heroin. So what is heroin? It is a semi-synthetic opiates. Is that clear, children? And normally what is the taste? The taste will be bitter and the color will be white and we don't have any smell. It won't create any smell, odorless, and will make it into crystalline compound. And how we are obtaining this heroin? By acetylation of morphine. So when we add 2-acetyl group, chemically when we add a 2-acetyl group into morphine, we'll get a heroin. So what is the another term for heroin? Heroin, another term is diacetyl morphine. Diacetyl morphine, or we can call it as dimorphine. Okay, diacetyl morphine or dimorphine. Is that clear, children? So acetylation after we'll get a one semi-synthetic drug that we can call it as, that only we can call it as what, children? That only we can call it as this heroin. Okay, and how the people know, the drug abuse people, how they used to have by two methods: snorting and injection. Snorting means they will use a small rounded paper. With that they used to inhale. Okay, that is only we can call it as snorting. And they will take injection through the venous system, through our venous system. We have discussed in AIDS, intravenous injection. So suppose if they didn't take care, there is a chance of spreading of HIV through the intravenous injection, those who are addicted for drug abuse. So that we have learned, children. So that through that also will take through snorting. Okay, and it is, what is the role of this heroin actually? And it is a depressant and slow down body function. Depressant. So depressant means it will depress all your normal body function. That is very, very important. So when a person used to have heroin, means automatically his healthy lifestyle will become suppressed, and that condition will be called as depressant, and the body function itself, it will slow down because there is no communication between the cells to the brain. So that was blocked by the receptors. So that is dangerous only. So what is the other name for heroin, children? Other name for heroin is smack. Okay, there is a common term has been used for heroin, that is smack. SMACK. Next we'll move on to the second category. First category we have learned opioids. Under that morphine and one more what we have learned, children, heroin. And second category is cannabinoids. We'll tell cannabinoids or cannabinoids. And actually this is also chemicals which used to interact with the cannabinoid receptor which is present in brain. That is very, very important. So previous we have told only in CNS, but in this cannabinoids straight away it will reach the brain cells, okay, because the receptors can be seen in brain cells only, so there only it will go and attach. Receptors can be seen in the brain only. Now natural cannabinoids obtained from inflorescence of cannabis sativa, so from there only we used to extract cannabis sativa. What is that? Ganja chedi. And what are the different types of drugs? Okay, I'll write it and you will get to know. Everything was given in NCERT book, children. Okay, Marijuana, Hashish, Ganja, I have told, no, and Charas. So these are the 4 different formats they used to extract from the same plant, cannabis sativa, because all those things are chemically only 1 or 2 addition and deletion only will get these kind of different products from the cannabis sativa. Okay, and from where and all they used to take? They used to take from flower top, leaves, and also resins of cannabis plants. Okay, with that also they used to take the chemical or a drug. Is that clear, students? What is the name of the drug? Cannabinoid. Taken by inhalation. How they used to have, they'll inhale or oral ingestion. Orally they'll have. And what is the problem because of taking more of cannabinoids? It is a cardiovascular system of body. So it will affect your heart. That is only cardiovascular system of your body. And nowadays the sports person, they used to have this cannabinoids as a drug abuse. Okay, now they afterwards, after 1 or 2 years, again the policeman, they'll catch these kind of person, those who are addicted to the drug, especially the sports person, especially a sports person. So this is the structure of the plant cannabis sativa. Is that clear, children? So we have learned opiates, morphine, heroine, and second category cannabinoids. And third category cocoa. That is a cocaine, and it is alkaloid only. Now look at the first picture, children. And cocaine is normally they extracted from a coke or crack. That is erythroxylon cocoa, and it will interface with the transport of neurotransmitter and dopamine. Okay, dopamine is a chemical signaling protein. So neurotransmitter, it will affect the neurotransmitter and dopamine. And taken by how they used to have these kind of things. This is very, very important, children. Dopamine interface with the transport of neurotransmitter. And how they used to have smoking. First we have learned about snorting and okay. Second group we have learned about injection, through injection. Third group we are learning again here it is very simple, by smoking. And it will stimulate CNS, induce euphoria and increased energy. And high dosage of this, it leads to hallucination. We have learned hallucination, it is again okay, it is not a person, though they don't have any state of mind, that is they don't have any constant state of mind. They'll have some always they'll have oscillation in their mind. So and leads to hallucination. Okay, they'll think that nothing will be in the hall, but something will be in hall. Like that they'll think nothing will be in veranda, but something there was in veranda, but nothing will be in veranda. Like that they'll have some hallucination. Irukkrada illada madri, illadada irukkara mari. So this is only a problem behind hallucinogen. Is that clear, children? So next category is hallucinogen. So what is the role of hallucinogen and how the pupil is behaving like that? Means because of one chemical called LSD. Okay, LSD. What is that? Lysergic acid diethylamide. Lysergic acid diethylamide. And they used to obtain from a fungi. Okay, from a fungi. Okay, and barbiturates and other group. Okay, amphetamines and benzodiazepines, and treat mental illness like depression and insomnia abused. So we have to treat the children, those who are affected by this LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide. And also this LCD can be obtained from fungi group also. So these are the things it is meant for hallucinogen. And which kind of plants we can able to see hallucinogen, children? We can see in Datura. This is a Datura, children. First picture is regarding cocaine, that is erythroxylon coca, and second picture is regarding the Datura plant. So this Datura plant only very important for formation of chemicals in hallucinogens. Is that clear, children? Now that's all about the opioids, morphine, heroine, cocoa alkaloids and hallucinogen. So next video we shall see the remaining part, children. Thank you.